Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. This is Salma Khan. I hope all of you are doing well. Present continuous tense. The use of this tense, the present continuous tense, as the name suggests, is the form of tense that is used to denote the action that is ongoing or occurring in that current moment. In other words, the present continuous tense is used for a progress action in the present. ये टेंस ये ज़माना मौजूदा हाल में प्रेजेंट में किसी जारी काम के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है। जो कुछ हो रहा है मौजूदा वक्त में तो हम ये टेंस इस्तेमाल करते हैं। फॉर इंस्टेंस, आई एम टेकिंग द क्लास, दे आर वॉचिंग ड्रामा ऑन टीवी, शी इज कॉलिंग मी, द चिल्ड्रन आर प्लेइंग क्रिकेट। Second use of this tense, the present continuous tense is used to indicate the action that will or will not happen in near future. Examples: is she visiting her brother next weekend? I am not going to attend that meeting because I am busy in my work. Structure of the tense. Singular subjects require singular helping verb. Plural subjects require plural helping verb. First person pronoun singular requires am. He, she, it, they are singular subjects. They, you, we, they are plural subjects. And I is first person pronoun singular. Is, am, are. Then verb ing form means fourth form of verb and object. Is, am, are the helping verbs of this tense. Examples: they are reading their books, the students are taking the class, the children are playing at the street, the gardener is watering the plants at the moment. They are such actions which are progress in the present, which are going on in the present, which are occurring in the present. Negative structure of the tense: subject plus is, am, are, not verb ing form, then object. Examples: he is not working at the moment. They are not waiting for their boss. I am not studying. The boys are not playing cricket. They are negative sentences. Interrogative structure: is, am, are plus subject plus ing form plus object. Examples: is he going to market? Are they taking care of their parents? Is he helping poor people? Am I going in the rain? There must be question mark at the end of the sentence. I hope you will find the video very informative. So subscribe my channel for more videos. Stay blessed. Thanks for watching.